I want to start with a very, very tiny introduction. Vision is the major way we understand the world. And for children, it's the major way they understand the world. If we still give access through all the other senses, all together, it doesn't replace what vision gives us in one moment in time. Wow, that's big, isn't it? That's really, really big. Children and young people with a vision impairment therefore miss out on the incidental experiences, the knowledge and understanding, the shape, the form, the purpose, the activity, the colour, the happenings that we take for granted around us. And that is one of the biggest impacts on their learning and development. But for every child you support, it will be slightly different. There are no two children with vision impairment who are the same, even if they have the same eye condition. Every child and young person we support are unique individuals and need their own package of support. We're always learning about the child. It's the jigsaw analogy. Some pieces fit beautifully and all four corners fit. Some of the corners, we're looking where they fit, and we eventually find that fit. And there are some corners where we're always looking as to where they should fit. It's really important to remember that. Nothing's cast in stone, and we have to learn about the child. That takes weeks, months, years. It's ongoing. It's the ongoing jigsaw puzzle. And it's the same when we come to enable access to learning. We don't have the precise answer straight away. Sometimes we've got to try things to find out what works, just like we do with any other child. What I'm going to show you works for children with vision impairment. Also, everything I show you, that means everything I show you would also be beneficial to other children, the whole class. That's why it makes inclusion of children with vision impairment easy, because everybody benefits. That's really important to understand. So we all have a big role. Some of you are teachers of the eye, some of you are teaching assistants, some of you are parents, some of you are special ed teachers. Everybody here has a different role, but we're all working around the child. So the two particular roles I want to think about are these. We have access to learning. Access to learning means making learning possible. Possible, easy, doable and simple as possible, as easy as possible. Removing barriers to enable learning and development to happen in the easiest way we can, finding solutions. Access to learning. The other one is learning to access. Those are the individual skills a child with vision impairment needs to learn to enable them to access learning. So that's things like touch typing, keyboard shortcuts, braille, listening skills, that sort of thing. So they need both and they interconnect. Today, we're going to focus on access to learning.